What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I hope you guys liked the video yesterday. If you guys were paying attention, you guys picked up that we were picking up another bike today. You guys heard that we were sending off the Road King for Indiana, and today is the day. But man, it's even a more exciting day, man. We got another bike pulling up. I can't wait to see what this thing is looking like. I'm gonna just let you guys see it here first. I'm gonna let you guys check out the sneak peek that the transporter sent me, and then we're gonna get right into the video, man. So if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my Road Glide or my CVO, man, I'm giving them both away. All you got to do is head over to Everything's Regular. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, cop you anything on the site, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. Buy a wallet or a hat, and you'll be entered into the giveaway, man. Meanwhile, it's that time to shine, man. Let's get into it. Today is the day she is heading out, man. It's been a long, nice road. She came in looking one way, came out another, man. All you got to do is head over to everythingsregular.com, man. Support your boy, man. Go cop anything on the site, and you can be getting a bike delivered to you. I can't wait, man. These other two are about to head out of here, so if you guys want in, man, get in while you can. We got our green bike right here, all looking nice and bedazzled up on them joints. These are like my favorite set of rims, my favorite color, man. So y'all let me know how it came out, and we're gonna get it in. Meanwhile, I think I hear the truck. Oh yeah, it's game time. It is game time. Bring it on out, Johnny. It is game time. Y'all see what's going on? You can just come right here. Yes, sir. We got that Big Daddy-O right here. Yes, sir, man. You put up with that joint. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. It is time to go up. My guy pulled up with the joint, man. He about to pop it off, pop it open, and let's see what's up in this thing, man. I can't wait. Now, this bike definitely came from up north. So it's not as dirty as our bikes usually be, but you know, it's gonna be a task. My guy, what's up, man? Finally, nice to meet you, man.
Meet you too, bro.
Man, we've been doing so much work and we ain't even met each other yet, dog.
Yeah.
That's crazy, man. How was the drive?
It was okay.
It was cool?
Yeah.
Hey, man, I just seen
traffic, man, in LA.
Oh yeah, LA traffic.
Yeah.
So if y'all don't know, man, this is Ruben, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Ruben. And if y'all caught the last transporter, this is his brother, man. Your brother just left here, man. I just seen your brother.
Oh, yeah, Tony.
Yeah, Tony. Yeah, man. So
He's up in New York right now.
he in New York already?
Yeah.
Dang, he be driving fast, man. Tony be getting it in. Hey, Tony, if you watch this, man, drive safe out there, man. I know it's probably snowing and cold, man. Ooh. Y'all see what's going on, man. Ooh, wee. This thing got that cherry red on there. It's looking real nice, man. Don't let me hold you up. Do your thing, man.
Okay.
I work in the background, man. Ooh, I don't want to show him too much just yet. We gonna get this thing offloaded, man. Y'all see what's going on. Oh my God, is that my boy Dre's bike back there? Yep. Oh yeah, man. We gotta pull this thing out so I can check that thing out too. That's my boy Built by Dre bike. If y'all ain't subscribed, man, go head over to Built by Dre on YouTube and subscribe right now, man. We about to go to Milwaukee, and then we taking the green bike to Indiana, man. So we about to take them both on the same trip, man. That's gonna be a freaking blast. I can't wait to see how this goes. It's gonna be cold. You ready for this coldness, man?
Oh, man, yeah, I think so. Man, which one? And I'm taking the blue one, and which one?
You're taking the blue one and the green one.
Oh, the blue one and the green one?
And the green one, yeah.
Man, look at that.
You like the green one?
Oh, yeah.
Looks-
I like both, but this one looks real shiny.
Yeah, you like the chrome, huh?
Chrome, yeah.
Yeah, the chrome stands out a lot.
The wheels.
Oh, you like them? It looks like candy, don't it? Like a Jolly Rancher.
Yep.
Yes, sir, man. That's the one that's going to Indiana, man. So
And the other one's going to
in Milwaukee, yeah.
Right.
Yep. So that one's gonna be fun. I can't wait. So whenever you finish these two up, these two should be going to, I don't know where yet, but these two will be going next. So
All right. Sounds
whoever gets back first,
Yeah.
Tony or Ruben, man, let's see who does it.
good. We'll see.
Yes, sir, man. So y'all know what time it is. It's time to offload this thing. So we're going to get this thing set and going. Man, here we have it. 2017 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. Kind of looks like a CVO, if you will. Oh, dang. It's got the big 23 on that joint. That's what made it so hard pushing it up and stuff right now. Thing is totally like flat. But we gonna check it out, man. Let me catch my breath, boy. Alrighty, so now that we caught our breath and bro get the thing situated, let me know when you're ready. Oh, while we getting that ready, we can check out Dre bike real quick. Oh yeah, this thing look good. That thing look nice. I like these bars.
Yeah,
nice. That color is pretty sick. Yes, sir, man. Yep. That thing is clean. Definitely nice, man. Now, like I was saying, we do have our 2017 Road Glide Special here. This thing looks freaking crazy as heck. It's got so much chrome on it. I need to wash this thing, man. This thing is ultra dirty. Like, you can't even really see the chrome right now. That's how dirty it is. It's got a nice Corbin seat. I'll get you guys on the other side real quick, but I'm just checking it out here with you first. Now, I do see some spider webs there, so gotta keep an eye open for that. Definitely gotta wash it, because don't need no spider webs up in here, man. But we gonna see. We are gonna see, dog. No keys to this one, so ain't no starting this. We gotta go take it to up to Harley and see if they can get us a nice security system or something. Meanwhile, trying to get this front wheel pumped up because we can't even really move the bike around because the front tire in the bike's so dang heavy. Got some damage back here to the fender. I'm guessing, of course, when they hit whatever they hit, because definitely they ran up on the curb. I'm trying to find the dent for you. But pretty clean bike overall. It's no real damage. We'll check it out a bit more here in a second, though. All right, man. It's like the last time we gonna see this green bike on the block, man. This thing was a really nice build. It looks even more fabulous in the sun, so I can only imagine how that red and chrome is going to look after we clean it, man. We got to clean that thing down. I'm gonna probably throw it up on a jack stand and stuff in a sec, but we can just admire this because when we get to wherever we get into in Indiana, the sky is going to look a whole lot different, and I don't think the chrome going to hit as hard as it can hit right now. So y'all just take it all in with your voila. But we about to get this thing loaded up, get it out of here, and we'll check out the bike. Now we got a better view of this joint. Check it out. These 23s on this joint look huge. Oh, we see what's going on now. The forks. This fork is bent. So we're gonna need some new forks there. These look like Arlen-ness forks with the big 13-inch rotors on that joint. So it looks really good. I know a guy who can straighten these forks out. It's got oil and everything, man. So definitely got to wash this thing up, get it going, see if we can get this thing started or something soon. It does look freaking amazing. Like, it ain't even cleaned up yet. I can only imagine when it's cleaned up and it's hidden. This red looks nice. There's really not too much damage on it. Not too much not too much real damage, man. So I got faith. I mean, of course, the forks and stuff is kind of whooped. But if you can save these forks, you'll be all right. I don't know. Looks like the fender is rubbing up against the brake and everything. So just little stuff you gotta check out, but we'll get it together real quick. Y'all see it here first, man. All locked and loaded, ready to go. My guy Ruben about to freaking be the star of the show today, man. He about to deliver both of these bikes, man. My boy Built by Dre in here got this blue thing looking all extra clean, man. Then we got that green thing looking all extra clean, man. So I can't wait. Next time we open this, man, y'all gonna see us in Indiana or Milwaukee, one of the two, man. Y'all choose. If y'all can guess it right, man, I might give y'all a little prize. Which one we gonna go to first? Yes, sir, man. We are closing the door on this journey, man. Y'all see it here first, live from the West Coast, man. Y'all see my dog plates, man. He about to head up to Kansas and then off to the freaking northern hemisphere, man, where it's about to be super cold and all the above, man. So I can't wait. My guy, appreciate you, man. Good looking out. Yes, sir, man. Take care of our bikes, man. Just like that, we're gonna catch him in Indiana. Can't wait, man. It's time to slide. All right, back on this beauty, man. I can't wait. I can't wait. Now we know that our fork is bent, so we got to get that thing situated. However, we don't even have a key for this bike, so we can't even start it, test it out, nothing. And it's got the security feature, so. But anyways, man, after we was just so mildly interrupted, man, I'm telling you, I swear, over here, bro, it is truly some weirdos, bro. Like, I can't stress it enough. Like, I can't stress it. Like, that's why I'm ready to move. I really don't like it. I hate how people have this much access to me. But anywho, man, back to the Harley. I swear to you, I was thrown all the way off. We got the Corbin seat on him. Now, I don't know if this is a 114 or a 107. However, the cylinder heads and stuff look like they fresh, so it might be ported or something. I don't know. I'm hoping we got some goods or something in this joint, man. Now, like I said, I'm not gonna be able to push this thing back up the hill. Why? Because this fender and stuff is stuck, man. So I'm gonna start pulling this fender off because we can't even really move it yet. So try to pump up the tire, get that fender off, and see what we can get done on it, man. Alrighty, guys, we got this thing cleaned up. Oh my God, thing look good, but you guys can see the dent in that wheel now. It's not too bad. It may be able to be fixed, but I don't know. We'll get there. But man, this thing looks so jolly and candy. Oh my God, this red is killer. And I was noticing when I was cleaning this chrome, I'm like, dang, this thing getting extra shiny. That thing got the chrome like inner primary. I don't even know. I just know, man, you ain't about to do all this stuff and ain't got no motor work in this joint. So whoever had this bike, I'm sure they put something into it, man. So I can't wait to reveal exactly what it is. But we got to get this thing dried up and good to go real quick. All right, y'all, so we finally got this thing cleaned up, cleaned off, looking really good. Now you guys see it's not too much like visible damage, but like we just got to get this fork situated and this rim situated. Fender, probably got to get a new one of those. But other than that, everything else looks to be intact. Now, like I said, I was noticing a lot of extra chrome parts on this bike. So we do got the matching back wheel back here. I'll snatch this bag off real quick so we can check it out. That matching back wheel does look really, really great. You know, we got spider webs back here. So I guess we took the right component off. However, we do got the matching rotors as well. That's a plus. Probably pull this bad boy. See if we got anything up under here. No, we should be good. Should be all right. So, alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. We sent our green Bro King off to Indiana finally, man. It is time to go to the cold, time to go to the snow. Y'all seen my boy Built by Dre bike up in there, man. We both heading up north, up there dang near the North Pole, man. So I can't wait to get up there and see how that weather is gonna treat us, man. If you guys haven't though, please subscribe and like the video, give a comment, man. I definitely appreciate you, man. If you guys haven't entered the giveaway for my 2017 Road Glide Special or my 2015 Street Glide CVO, man, now is your time to shine. You may be lucky enough to win one, man. Head over to everythingsregular.com, buy anything on the website, and you'll be entered to win one of my Harleys, man. You buy one item, you may be lucky enough to win either one. You buy 2 items, you may be lucky enough to win them both. Yes, man, you can buy a hat or a wallet, and buying either one again, you enter into the giveaway, man. So head over there right now and go get your entry. Meanwhile, we done cleaned up our new Road Glide, man. That thing is looking sick. I can't wait to see what this thing is gonna be like. Meanwhile, we don't got no keys. The forks is bent, the rim is bent. So we got some work on our hands, man. So tune in tomorrow to see how we kill it. I can't wait to get there, man. I'll catch you guys on the next one though, dog. Peace.